Hi all, welcome to this session on Python basics. So today we are going to code in Google Colab using Google Colab Studio. Google Colab Studio is essentially a cloud native Python platform. It gives us the ready to deploy Python environment with zero setup. So you can tap directly into Google Drive for accessing your data, and it eliminates any local dependency. So this creates the perfect ecosystem for us to, we can do machine learning experiments. So we can do collaborative coding. So whether we are building analytics pipeline or we're gonna have a new ideas, Collab keeps us the workflow very agile, efficient, and future ready. Before we dive into this hands-on demo, let's talk about the AI dimension inside this Google Colab. So AI significantly accelerates the way we write the code. It supports the bug detection. You can do a little bit testing, and even like you can create some functions. Of course, this is going to it is going to help us when we have small errors. We have a repetitive task, repetitive coding task. So this all these will be taken care by AI, but at the same time the governance still sits with us. So AI accelerates the development, but we still remain accountable for the correctness of the code, security, and performance. Always validate the generated code before we push into our workflow. All right, so let's dive in and see how we can code efficiently and intelligently using our Google Colab Studio.